better subscribe. Or before I get mad.
Who labeled you a stepper, nigga? I was jumping off before first period, you was eating breakfast, nigga. Call my Glock DMs cause it's gonna send you a message, nigga. Ride around, stolen cars, how about snatch your necklace, nigga? Stop.
Yo, what's good, YouTube? It's your boy Von, aka VonHylton, coming to y'all back with another video. As y'all can see by the title and the thumbnail, I'm gonna be making my BMW 340 a little bit more louder, you feel me? So one thing that I lacked in my Q50 was sound. Like, my exhaust and everything sounded fire, but it was just too quiet. I had like 4 resonators. If you know, you know. So basically what I'm doing today, I'm heading to the muffler shop. I'm gonna get a dual resonator delete with 3 inches and a quarter piping to replace like the resonators where they at or whatever. Ooh, snack pack. Boy, lucky I'm stopped. Anyways, yeah, so I'm about to go do that, dual resonator delete, 3 1/4 inch piping. I was gonna change the tips too, but I think I'm gonna leave them for now because I might end up getting a full exhaust down the line. But this is just for now so I can hear some sound and everything like that, because driving a stock car is not it. It's time for them parts, you feel me? So with that being said, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like. God, like, what's up? Disrespecting my video. So if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. And I'm gonna catch y'all at the exhaust shop. So I'm at the exhaust shop right now. They're about to get me situated. 954 mufflers if you're in the South Florida area. But I do a dual resonator delete with 3 1/4 inch piping to replace the resonators where they at. I'm about to get y'all some cinematics right now. And yeah, sir, time to make some noise.
Lot of hill, whole lot of drill, slide hill, shallow side, hey. Grab up on, hey. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We some shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We some shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, you gotta be smoking runs. If you ain't from around here, don't come around here. TLC better creep in the house. Walk out the door, don't leave a fire. He on probation, chief in mind. Heard your favorite rapper, cat that nigga, they'll be telling lies. Go to war with 24 court, you might as well be a sacrifice. See some shady shit at 8, told Lil Speedy past 9. If you play, you know the rest, where Lil Tay gon' lay it down. We smoke, run, elevate your mind. Close the door, they ain't safe outside. Fuck what you heard, I don't play about mine. Fuck what you heard, I don't play about mine. Can't fuck no little thought hoe. About cheese ain't talking nacho. If you know about Polo, Mike, that's Mr. Runch, you know he got dope. Heard you freeze up under pressure, got cold feet, that me a sauce cold. If you try to grease the piece and it won't go, that me a motto. Your own dime won't let you grease, it can't be me, cause me I got hoes. I be laughing to the cheese. If you know cheese, you know he got Joe's. Free Lil Maya, JBB, Frank One, Nixon, and El Chapo. Got some shit that make it top float. Got some shit that'll let your ops know. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We some shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We some shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We some shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Vietnam, gotta be smoking runs. Leave it at one. Gotta be smoking. Southside.
Let's see what it sounds like. good. Put it in sport mode. Put it in sport mode now. Jeez, sounds good. So I just finished the dual resonator delete. From the inside, it still sounds stock, you feel me? So that's good for drivability and daily driving and stuff like that. But from the outside, it sounds crazy. And that's just with just a dual resonator delete. I didn't even get a downpipe yet. So when I get the downpipe, I already know it's gonna sound even better. I'm trying to get some room so I can probably get a pull for y'all. I don't know if y'all gonna hear it. Let me see. This junk. Go to like second gear. Yeah, I don't know if y'all heard that. A little windy outside. You feel me? I'm trying to get some outside clips. I'm about to link with Jordan right now. But I'm happy. I like it so far. Probably when it's less windy or less traffic, I can hear it more or whatever. But dual resonator delete. And I got 3-inch piping or 3 1/4 inch piping. So, yes, sir.
Man, you about to go crazy. Yo, that thing sounds good.
Loud pops.
What?
Like gunshot.
Pop, pop. This man take forever to turn around. Damn. What you said?
I'm like the evil twin.
No cap.
Little brother.
Man, the evil twin. This man, the old guy. Okay. Man ran. Yo, I knew you gonna wide out, bruh. This man ran a whole stop sign just to show off. No, it sound good though. It sound good. That's like how it's supposed to sound from stock.
We're doing a comparison right now to see who's louder, but you gotta send me that clip too. Who you think? Mine's louder? Let's
You
see.
got a lot of pops. You got a lot of regular.
Yeah. This should have taken off though.
You don't even bullet shot.
Hell no, man.
I seen that bitch like when I was driving up. I ain't even peeped, bro.
My boy lost his shoe.
Crazy.
Damn, why you taking so long to turn around, man?
10-point turn.
Oh, he ain't gonna wait. Oh, alright. Let's make sure he's not dumb. Let's see. Take it off. I feel like mine louder. Now I can see mine louder. Yeah. But his is stock. Looking clean though. He got the mirror caps on and the wing. Looking clean. He has a chrome delete. You talking about on the front? Looking clean though. I like your punch buggy.
I like the Buick.
Oh yeah. He ordered the black one. I gonna tie the end. What are you saying, bro? What are you saying, bro? What are you saying? This man always hating, bro. What's up with this man? Always hating, dog. I'm gonna end my video right here because this man is a cornball, bro. But I got my muffler, not muffler, resonator delete, dual resonator delete. Huh?
Still recording?
Yeah? That's my phone?
Anyway.
I don't know. But dual resonator delete with 3 1/4 inch piping, I believe it is. So that's that. I'm probably gonna get the outside clips from Jordan because I did a couple pulls and stuff like that. Still gotta get my GoPro. I'm gonna get it. I gotta stop procrastinating to get it, but you feel me? That boy getting parts already, bro. That boy got wing, mirror cap, sequentials, all that. He moving fast. But
You better subscribe before I get mad.
I'm about to end it right now. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Turn on post notifications so you never miss when I upload. We're on the road to 3,000 subscribers. We're probably at 2.98, 2.97 right now. This has been your boy Vaughn, and I'm gone.
Gotta be smoking right. Gotta be smoking right. Yeah, no. Gotta be smoking right. Leave it at 1. Gotta be smoking right. Zaza. Pop out. Hey, yeah. Lot of hill, whole lot of drill, slot of hill, shallow side. Hey, grab pop out. Hey, we don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, you gotta be smoking runs. If you ain't from around here, don't come around here. TLC better creep in the house. Walk out the door, don't leave 5. Hey, on probation, chief in mind. Heard your favorite rapper, cat that nigga, they'll be telling lies. Go to war with 24 court, you might as well be a sacrifice. See some shady shit, I ate, told Lil Speedy past 9. If you play, you know the rest, where Lil Tay gon' lay it down. We smoke, run, elevate your mind. Close the door, they ain't safe outside. Fuck what you heard, I don't play by mine. Can't fuck no little thought hoe. About cheese ain't talking nacho. If you know about Polo Mike, that's Mr. Runch, you know he got dope. Heard you freeze up under pressure, got cold feet, that me and sauce cold. If you try to grease the piece and it won't go, that me or my throat. Your own dime won't let you grease, it can't be me, cause me I got hoes. I be laughing to the cheese. If you know cheese, you know he got jokes. Free Lil Maya, JBB, Frank One, Nixon, and no Chapo. Got some shit that make it top float. Got some shit that'll let your ops know. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. Once I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. We don't ride in stolos, but we got stolen guns. We shoot shit for fun, young nigga. I'm a vet like Vietnam. I beat the bitch, she gotta leave at once. Another little bit coming through at once. Spend the night, bitch, you gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Gotta be smoking runs. Vietnam, gotta be smoking runs. Leave it at 1. Gotta be smoking. Zaza.